Meta's release of the Llama 3.1 AI model marks a pivotal moment in the advancement of artificial intelligence. This isn't just another technological upgrade, it's a bold step toward democratizing AI. Llama 3.1 is set to redefine how we interact with and benefit from this transformative technology. Open-source software has always been about collaboration and shared progress. With Llama 3.1, Meta is bringing this ethos to the forefront of AI development. This move has the potential to unlock unprecedented levels of innovation, making AI more accessible and beneficial for everyone. The significance of Llama 3.1 extends far beyond the tech world. Its open nature has implications for various sectors, from healthcare and education to finance and beyond. It's a game changer that promises to reshape our world for the better. To understand Llama 3.1, let's look at the history of open-source software. Unix and Linux, two groundbreaking operating systems. Unix, from the late 1960s, introduced portable, multitasking systems, but its proprietary nature limited its reach. Linux, by Linus Torvalds in the early 90s, embraced open source. This allowed global contributions, leading to widespread adoption. Llama 3.1 aims to replicate this in AI. Like Linux, it aims to democratize AI capabilities. This open approach could accelerate AI development globally. Llama 3.1 represents a significant leap forward in AI technology. It builds upon the success of its predecessor, Llama 2, incorporating several key advancements. Enhanced language processing capabilities make it more powerful and versatile. Llama 3.1 can understand and generate human-like text with greater accuracy. Ideal for chatbots, content creation, and language translation. Optimized to run on less powerful hardware, making it more accessible. Enhanced safety features and robust mechanisms to mitigate biases. One of the most exciting aspects of Llama 3.1 is its open-source nature. Meta has made the model's code freely available, allowing developers to use, modify, and distribute it for various purposes. This openness fosters collaboration and innovation. Developers can build upon each other's work, creating a vibrant ecosystem of AI applications and tools. It also allows for customization, enabling developers to tailor the model to specific tasks and industries. This collaborative approach stands in stark contrast to the closed-source models developed by some tech giants. By making Llama 3.1 open, Meta is promoting transparency and inclusivity in AI development. The open nature of Llama 3.1 empowers developers to experiment, innovate, and create solutions that address real-world problems. It's a catalyst for collective progress, driven by the shared goal of harnessing the power of AI for good. Section 5. Powering innovation across industries. The potential applications of Llama 3.1 span across numerous industries. Its advanced language processing capabilities and open-source nature make it a versatile tool for businesses and organizations of all sizes. In healthcare, Llama 3.1 can be used to develop virtual assistants that provide patients with personalized medical information and support. It can also assist doctors in diagnosing diseases and recommending treatment plans. In education, Llama 3.1 can power intelligent tutoring systems that adapt to individual students' needs. It can also help automate administrative tasks, freeing up teachers to focus on providing quality instruction. In the business world, Llama 3.1 can enhance customer service through AI-powered chatbots that provide instant and accurate responses. It can also analyze large data sets to identify trends and insights, helping companies make better decisions. Section 6. A collaborative approach to AI development. Meta's decision to release Llama 3.1 as open source is a testament to the power of collaboration. By making the model's code available, Meta fosters a community-driven approach to AI. This spirit is at the heart of the open source movement. When developers share ideas, innovation flourishes. Linux's development exemplifies open source power. Linus Torvalds said, "Given enough eyeballs, all bugs are shallow." This principle highlights the strength of open collaboration. Section 7. Open source, the key to trustworthy AI. As AI systems become increasingly integrated into our lives, ensuring their trustworthiness is paramount. Open source AI, like Llama 3.1, plays a crucial role in building trust and transparency. When the code for an AI model is open and accessible, anyone can scrutinize it for potential biases, errors, or vulnerabilities. This transparency allows for independent verification and validation, fostering greater confidence in the technology. Open source also enables the development of robust security measures. When the inner workings of an AI system are visible, security researchers can identify and address potential vulnerabilities more effectively. Furthermore, open source AI fosters a sense of collective responsibility. When a community of developers contributes to and maintains a project, there's a shared incentive to ensure its safety and reliability. Section 8. Democratizing AI for all. Open source AI democratizes access to transformative technology. It empowers individuals and organizations previously excluded. Access to cutting-edge AI has been concentrated in a few large tech companies. Open source AI levels the playing field. Startups, researchers, and developers can now contribute and benefit. This democratization ensures AI benefits humanity as a whole. Section 9. The future of AI is open. The release of Llama 3.1 signals that the future of AI is open. Open source AI fosters collaboration and transparency. This open future holds immense promise. It can unlock unprecedented innovation, making AI more powerful and accessible. This is the future that open source AI like Llama 3.1 is creating. Section 10. Embracing the open AI revolution. The open source AI revolution is here. It's a movement driven by a shared belief in the power of collaboration, transparency, and the democratization of technology. Llama 3.1 is a testament to this movement, showcasing the incredible potential that unfolds when we embrace openness in AI development. As we move forward, it's essential that we continue to support and contribute to open-source AI initiatives. Whether you're a developer, a researcher, or simply someone who's excited about the potential of AI, there are countless ways to get involved. By embracing the open AI revolution, we can collectively shape the future of this transformative technology and ensure that it benefits all of humanity. Section 11. A call to action. The release of Llama 3.1 is a call to action for anyone interested in the future of AI. Join a growing community of developers, researchers, and enthusiasts committed to building a more open, accessible, and beneficial AI ecosystem. Explore Llama 3.1, download the model, experiment with its capabilities, and build innovative applications. Contribute to open source projects. Share your skills and knowledge. Spread the word. Educate others about the importance of open source AI. Together we can ensure AI empowers humanity to reach new heights.